Hi, welcome back. By the end of this section, you should be able to learn how to create HTML table or any type of table just with HTML. Let's get started. Shift 1. To start creating table, you need the table tag. Table tag. So, of course, you know that in table you have the horizontal part and the vertical part. So, the horizontal part is the row, while the vertical part is the column, right? So the TR stands for table row. We have TR, it stands for the row of the table. Then the columns are created using TD, the TD or TH. TD represent table data. But first of all, when you are creating a table, let's open this on the browser. So we have this on the browser. So you have the TR. So coming here, I have TR, TD. TD stands for table data. Say serial number. I have another one. Surname. Surname. See, we have this. Now, before we start using this TD, we need TH. But we need the TH. TH represent is for the heading of the table, the title of the table. So let's remove these ones. TH. So serial number. Then TH again. We use surname. Surname. TH. Last name. Then we have student, maybe reg number or course of study. TD. Department. Department. Then it's okay. This is okay. So we have this now. You see, we have this first row moving this way, the first row. Ba? So that's this TR. If you want to make another row, you need to add another TR. So let's make another row. Let's make another row. Here I'm going to add TR. Now TD. The first title here is serial number. So the serial number here should be 1. The value here should be 1. Then the next one is surname. Okay, say Williams. Last name. Sorry, first name, not last name. Surname and last name are the same thing. Alright, first name. Good. So for the first name, I'll say Adana Williams. Then department, TD. Okay, biochemistry. Biochemistry. So this is what I have for this first row. Now you can make this as many as you want for many different candidates, right? For different candidates, change this. So you see what I have? The second one. For the third one, we'll change this. So
You
you
see,
see,
this is
this is
what I
what I
have.
have.
So
So
I'll
I
also
also
duplicate
duplicate
more
more
of
of
this,
this,
right?
right?
So
So
okay.
okay.
So
So
here
here
I'll
I'll
say
say
I
I
think
think
4.
4.
Then
Then
5.
5. Alright.
So
So
this is
this
the
is the
table we
table we
have.
have.
Now
Now
we can
we
see
can
that
see
there
that
is
there
no
is no
border
border
around this
around this
table.
table.
To
To
add
add
border
border
around the
around the
table, you
table,
can
you can
use
use
CSS
CSS
to
to
add
add
the
the
border
border
around the
around the
table.
table.
So
So
let's
let's
add
add
CSS
CSS
on the
on the
head
head
part
part
of
of
this
this
page.
page.
I'll just
I'll just
add the
add the
star
star
sheet
sheet
here.
here.
So
So
I'm
I'm
going to
going to
target this
target this
table,
table,
comma,
comma,
T
T
H,
H,
comma,
comma,
TD.
TD.
So
So
here,
here
let's give
let's
it
give it
border.
border.
So
So
we give
we
it
give it
border.
border.
So
So
1
1
pixel
pixel
solid
solid
black.
black.
Let's see
Let's
what
see
we
what we
have.
have.
Okay,
Okay,
you see
you
what
see
we
what we
have,
have,
right?
right?
It
It
looks
looks
more
more
better.
better.
But you can
But you
see
can
that
see
the
that the
border
border
is
is
doubled
doubled
because it's
because
double.
it's
We
double.
don't
We
want
don't
it
want it
to be
to be
double. We say
double. Say
border
border
collapse.
collapse.
Border
Border
collapse.
collapse. Ah,
Please, this
please, this
autocomplete. You're
autocomplete. You're
disturbing me.
disturbing me.
Okay,
Okay,
collapse.
collapse.
Right?
Right?
So we
So we
say,
say,
yeah,
yeah,
collapse.
collapse.
So you
So
see
you
what
see
we
what
have.
we have.
So
So
this
this
looks more
looks more
like it
like it
now,
now,
right?
right?
Another thing
Another
I
thing I
want us
want
to
us to
add
add
is we
is we
can
can
add
add
width to
width
this
to this
table. We can
table. We can
increase the
increase the
width.
width.
So
So
coming
coming
here,
here,
I'll
I'll
say
say
width
width
100,
100,
width
width
100%.
100%.
Good.
Good.
So you
So
see
you
what
see
we
what you
have?
have?
Yes,
Yes,
it's
it's
more like
more
it
like it
now.
now.
So
So
H2, let
H2,
me
let
give
me
it
give it
title
title
HTML
HTML
table.
table.
So I
So I
have
have
this.
this.
In
In
CSS, we are
CSS, we
going
are
to
going to
style
style
table
table
more
more
in
in
detail.
detail.
So
So
we are going
we are
to
going to
stop
stop
here.
here.
The last
The
thing I
last
would
thing I
just
would
want
just
to
want to
add is
add is
just
just
padding.
padding.
I'll
I'll
add
add
padding.
padding.
Padding in
Padding in
CSS
CSS
property. We're
property.
going
We're
to be
going to be
doing it
doing it
later.
later.
So let me
So let
give it
me give it
padding of
padding of
10
10
pixel.
pixel.
So
So
this is
this
what
is what
we
we
have.
have.
So
So
please
please
create a
create a
table
table
of
of
yeah, a
yeah, a
menu,
menu,
food
food
menu.
menu.
Create a
Create a
table of
table of
a
a
food
food
menu.
menu.
That is your
That is your
assignment.
assignment.
Thank you.
Thank you.
A
A
simple
simple
table of
table of
food
food
menu.
menu.
Thank you.
Thank
Or
you. Or
any
any
table of your
table of your
choice.
choice.